Thank God for another beautiful Sunday! Dito kami magla-lunch ngayon sa Grand Gourmet dito sa Asiana Hotel. Medyo late na kami nakarating, mga 2 PM na, kaya medyo konti na lang yung food pero marami pa ring choices.
Apa. Yes po.
Kahit late na kami, super busog pa rin kami. Ang sasarap ng mga food at ang place ay super cozy. Perfect for our Sunday bonding. It's always nice to spend time with friends, sharing good food and good stories. That's it for today. Till my next food stop. See you!